Hello, my dear friend, I'm Seven. A small change to the screen can be made a big difference in price. Some people are unaware of this and end up paying high price for a low quality product. Today I will share a little trick to help you tell if IC has been changed. First, you need a UV light. This one is the original IC, Samsung version. Look at this. The original IC shows fluorescent green with net and smooth edges. The changed IC shows dark green with a rough surface. The original IC and the changed IC, the price are big different. If you which one you could choose.
Follow me.